Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing us how to format our flash. Maybe our flash is affected with virus. How do we get our flash to use? How do we get it to use? So I'm going to slot in a flash. You can see USB drive. I just slotted in a flash, and this flash has a lot of virus in it. So you can see the virus. I'm gonna try to first of all I'll scan this flash with an antivirus, and the antivirus I'm using is Smartem. You can see Smartem is out already, and it's showing me that this flash has some virus. So if you want your system to be secure from viruses that could come, or from virus that could come from flash, it's always good you install Smartem. This is the Smartem antivirus. So because of this virus, I can easily click on fix all. If it's not showing, I can click on more and click on clean all. So if I find out that I cannot actually wipe out this virus, and the virus is the sort that can be disturbing my system, what can I do? I can simply go to my system, this PC. I'm gonna close this out. So this is the USB. This is my flash. So I can right click on it, and I'll say scan with Smartem. So when I click on scan with Smartem, Smartem is going to scan. You can see it's scanning my USB, my flash, in order to be able to remove the virus that is inside this very flash. But if I find out that I cannot actually, you can see it's already found out that we have two hidden files. If I find out that even scanning cannot solve my problem, then I have to format this drive. So this is my flash. I can right click on it, and I'll click on format. But you know that whenever you click on format, it's going to remove everything that is inside your system. So if I hit on format, it will ask me, it will show me the description of my flash. So if I click on start format, it's going to warn me formatting will erase all the data in your system. If I still click on OK, it will format and erase everything, and this flash will become free. But if I click cancel, it's not going to do that. So I'm going to click cancel because I don't want everything in my flash to be gone. If you like this, please hit the subscribe button. If you have any question concerning this, please